What's up, world? Serge here, and this is day 5 of my journey in the world's largest hackathon, presented to you by Bolt. Today was a big day. WWDC happened, and they announced their new operating systems, and I have to redo my whole app from scratch because it now needs to look more like this glass. I've been working on this app over the weekend, not as much as I wanted to, but this week we are going to be shipping like crazy. Where are we at? We've updated our sign in and sign up screens a little bit, so now they're a bit nicer, taking inspiration from multiple places, but the idea is that you want to give your users as many options as you can to be able to use your app. So they can either sign up with email, phone, Apple, Google, Facebook. The good thing is Supabase supports all of these sign-in providers, so it's going to be a breeze to set all of that up. For now, we're still using email. We're going to go ahead and sign in, create an account. And now I've added this onboarding stack as a way to kind of guide a user through the onboarding process and let them understand what they just downloaded and what they're using. Very basic for now, but yeah, we're going to have a pantry and a fridge. This was Expo's API, so I've done this previously, but now you can see that camera access is granted. I had an issue before when I was trying to test kind of my receipt, taking photos of just items. It was failing because I didn't have this low-level iOS setting to allow camera access. Health, this is just a placeholder for now. I'll look into health and whether or not I'll need it for the things that I'm doing for now. But yeah, kind of a basic setup. And now we get set up. This is where I'll probably put another paywall to see if people want to present what are the features that will be available as a pro subscriber versus a free one. But this looks cool for now. And yeah, we are in the app now. I cleaned up the screen. Hello, Sarah. Shouldn't be that because I'm pulling in my details here now, but I just haven't updated. Oh, and this is weird. For some reason, it thinks I still need to onboard. I'll need to look into my authentication redirect behavior. We'll do that separately. This really wanted to just be a quick update. I wanted to get your thoughts on the different colors. So I have this like indigo blue here. I don't even know if it's purple. And then this green. Which one resonates more? Let me know. I'm indifferent. And then just like sizing, I think this one is maybe the way you fixed it. These are different. No, these are all the same. This is still a pro feature. But yeah, this is where we're at. Obviously, next up, we'll probably start setting up the inventory as part of the onboarding, making sure that you can just take a photo of your receipt or your pantry, and then it fills in all the ingredients. And then the next thing that I will be working on is AI-generated meal plans based on what you have. And once you commit to one, there will be a cooking section. I'm thinking of putting together something with 11 labs and having Gordon Ramsay instruct you as you are meal prepping and yelling at you. And then, yeah, once you select a meal plan and you mark it cooked, that should also update your inventory to reduce it by the ingredients that you used. And then if things are starting to run out or run low, that should also automatically update them to your grocery list. We'll see how this goes. I don't know what's going on with my camera, but this was it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.